Hello guys, welcome back. Today good news is that Flock is on. Flock is on Bybit launch pool. All you just need to do is just to partake, stake some few USDT or few coins that's going to be listed here and make a huge choice for yourself. What are those coins are to be staked here? We have MNT and USDT. MNT and USDT and Flock itself. You can stake any of these three and make a huge profit for yourself. Look at it, what are the staking period? Though this staking has been on, but I'm bringing it to your notice today. And only 2 days, 1 hour, 31 minutes left. What do you need to do? All you just need to do is to dive in, seize this opportunity in order to make a free Flock coin for yourself. Okay? So the Flock coin is federated. It's a blockchain which anchors our business goals. You can look at their website to see much more about them. The white paper is also available that you can look at and take a look at the rules as well, so that you will not go contrary or arbitrarily to the rules. Okay, so what happens here is that when you stake a Flock, or you stake MNT for Flock, or you stake USDT for Flock, you're going to make a free coins. How do you make these free coins? You're going to make these free coins in Flock, and it can only be withdrawn after it's listed. That is in the next 2 days, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Alright. Where can you find this Flock? You can find this Flock on your Bybit launch pool straight. And any of that coin that you may wish to what? To stake. So it is advisable that you should always check your launch pool, so that you can see a lot of opportunities that are there to make you earn a free coins. Alright, so all you just need to do if you want to stake Flock, but I always advise you to stake USDT. Do you know why? Because USDT is a constant coin. And if you stake MNT, maybe before this will be listed, MNT will go down in price. But USDT is a stable coin. Alright, USDT is stable. So if you stake USDT, you always get your USDT back and also make a free coins for yourself. So all you just need to do now is to stake USDT and earn free coins. Let's see, how much volume do you need to stake? The first one say if you can stake Flock, if you stake Flock here, you're going to make 800% of it. Okay, you make 800% of it. All you just need to do is to come to this place to click on I have read and agreed to the launch pool services agreement. What is the minimum Flock you need to stake? The minimum Flock you need to stake is 200 to 30,000 Flock. It's 300 to 30,000 Flocks. Okay, if you stake 200 to 30,000 Flock, you're going to make a lot for yourself. First, you must stake 200, which is the minimum, and you can stake above 200, but the maximum you can stake here is 30,000 Flock, which is here. Take a look at this carefully. Wait, the maximum is what? Is 30,000 Flocks coin. Well, how much does this Flock worth? Okay, so if you have the Flock coin, you're going to come to this place to stake the Flock. But let's see, what's the next we need to stake? The next thing you can stake is MNT. On an occasion that you don't have Flock available, if you don't have Flock available, you're going to stake MNT. And that MNT is what? The minimum MNT you can stake shows here, which is 100 MNT, 100 MNT to 5,000 MNT. You can see it's the minimum you have to stake. So all you just need to do is to come to this place to click on I have read and agreed to the launch pool services agreement. Okay, so the moment you're done with that, you can simply go ahead to stake MNT and make free flow coins at the end of these 2 days. Okay, so the next thing you just need to do, the next one you must stake is USDT, which is what I'm always in support of. The minimum you can stake here is 100 USDT to 2000 USDT maximum. Now look at it carefully. You follow the same procedure. Input the volume you need to stake here. Click on I have read and agreed to the launch pool services agreement. And go ahead to confirm in order to stake. But do not forget, you must go through those instructions carefully. The APR you're going to earn here is 95%. That is 95% of your staked coin. And in what you are going to earn, you're going to earn in flock coin. Because flock coin is the coin you're staking. And after staking the flock coin, you're going to make your reward in flock coins. But your USDT will be back in USDT. So what you just need to do is to redeem everything at the end of the period. Okay, so all you just need to do is to dive into it carefully. Make sure you have available USDT. You can convert it to MNT if you want to stake. But if you must take flock to flock, then you must buy flock from the pre-market. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll be stopping here. If you do have any question, do not forget. Drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. So do not forget, dive into it now and start earning for yourself. Thank you. I'll see you in my next class.